Yeah, welcome to my video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make $100 within a month. Yes, $100 within a month with just one-time payment of $10. Yes, with just one-time payment of $10. You heard me very well. This is very possible. I've been doing this for quite a long time, and the platform I'll be showing you is very genuine and legit. Yes. Before I continue, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and the bell in case I release any new video where how you can make money online. Genuine platform. I'll be showing you some genuine platform and some means how you can make money online. By the time you follow my footstep, by the end of this year, you'll be wow that you watch my videos. Yes, you'll be wowed. So kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This will also welcome back. Yeah, thank you for subscribing to my channel. For those that subscribe, I really appreciate. But if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you'll be benefiting more from my channel and from my videos. Yeah, this is a platform I'll be showing you, and I'll be telling you how it works. This platform I've been using for quite a long time now, and they are very genuine and they pay. Yes. I know you have heard of Forsage and Lionshare. Yes, these are smart contracts. This platform is different from smart contracts, but you earn, but your withdrawal is through either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So any investment you are doing here is you are using to grow your cryptocurrencies, either your Bitcoin or your Ethereum. To start investing on this platform, you just need $10, and you can make $100 in a month. $100 within a month. If you can invest, if you can go for higher plans, you can earn $100 within a month. In fact, you can earn $100 within 3 days, depending on the plan you choose. But I recommended $10 for a start, so that you know that the site is genuine. $10 for a start. I will show you how you register and how you can fund your account with this video. Yes. So the comments they need most in this platform is your Bitcoin address and your Ethereum, or if you have Litcoin address or Bitcoin Cash address, any of them, you can use it to register your account. So I'll be using my name to register. Okay, using Martins, that's my name. Sorry. Then username, and password. I'll leave it for now. If you do not have perfect money account, leave it. Now put in your Bitcoin wallet address. Put in your Bitcoin wallet address. If you have any of this wallet address, put in the right boxes. Yes, if you are using Bitcoin, put your wallet address here. If you are using Litcoin, put it. If you are using Ethereum, put it. If you are using Bitcoin Cash, put it. Then your email, add your email, and secret question. The secret question means the question you can remember, and you can remember the question and the answer. Yes, you'll be the one to type the question. I can use what is my name? Then the answer will be Martins. Yes, the answer will be Martins. So anytime you're having issue with your account, this question and answer will give you hints on how you can recover your account back. And then click on I agree. Then make sure your upline is showing Martins Media. Yes, that is very important. That will show that you are under me and I can monitor your activities in case you are having any issue. You can message me. You can message me on WhatsApp using the number on the description, or email me using the email on description. I will reply and give you hints on what to do and how to go about it. If you're having any question or any issue with your account, so right now you click on join, then it will link it into get to where you can log in your account. Have been created. Now this is a new account. This is a new account I'm using, and I'll be using it to show how you can fund your account and earn money from this platform. Okay, right now, as you can see, we are having zero got a new account. So click menu, click on deposit. That is to go about making deposit to your account. Then $10. Set up one up your and show your return and okay, click on deposit down. As you can see, you are seeing basic $10, minimum of $10, and maximum of $500. You can start with $10 if you know try out the website. You can try deposit $10 or more, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 or more. Then you'll be having 35% in 35% as return of investment. 35% of return of within 30 hours. Yes, within 30 hours. So you'll be making more money from this if you can start with $10. Okay, let me continue with deposit. Then you click on, if you want to deposit with Bitcoin or your Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, you click on Bitcoin. Right now I'll be using Bitcoin as example. You click on Bitcoin and click on deposit. So it will give you an address you use to deposit your account. Now right now you are placing exactly 0.00115087 Bitcoin to this address. Immediately you send this Bitcoin to the address you are giving, and it's confirmed within 3 minutes, then your account will automatically be funded. And your plan will start. Yes, your investment plan will start immediately. When you are done with this, now how you can make $100 from this website. No, I said it give you opportunity to start with just $10. Yes, start with just $10. And we are starting with this $10 because many people don't have money, or they are struggling because of this pandemic that's eating the world right now. Now this is an opportunity for you to grab this opportunity right now and start growing your money. Yes, start with minimum of $10, or you can go higher. Start with minimum of $10 and invest minimum of $10, and within 30 hours you will get your investment and return of investment within 30 hours. When the 30 hours is completed and you have been funded your return of investment to your account, you will have to invest in the basic again. If you invest $10, then your return of investment will be 13.50 yes, $13.50 as your return of investment. Then invest the $13 again, then you'll be having $17. Yes, you'll be having $17. Then continue like that. That in 15 days you'll be having up to close to $100. Yes, we're having more than or close to $100 within a month. So this is an opportunity you can use to make $100 within a month or for a month. And with the withdrawing process, you can withdraw all your money. You can withdraw all your money and your all your investments instantly into your Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litcoin or Bitcoin Cash account, and you'll receive your withdrawal within 24 hours, which is very genuine. So thank you for watching this video. I know you will take a bold step to follow the video and the foot path I show you now. So right now, click on the link at the description, deposit minimum of $10 and start investing on this platform. At the end, within a month, you'll be seeing that your account is growing. Yeah, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy if I can reach 1,000 subscribers. Yes, and I know you guys can do it for me. Thank you very much.